Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Create a Weebly account using your email or Google sign-in in under 3 minutes. This gives you immediate access to site building tools and hosting. After logging in, select a template category that matches your goal, such as store, blog, or portfolio. Review the template thumbnails and pick one that fits your layout needs. Choose whether to use a free Weebly com subdomain now, or plan to connect a custom domain later for a professional address and better branding. Drag and drop elements like text, images, and buttons from the left panel into the page and place them in columns or rows for structure. Use the layout grid controls to adjust spacing, set image dimensions such as 800 x 600 pixels when necessary, and fine-tune padding and margins for clean alignment. Add site-wide elements like header, footer, and navigation so changes apply across pages. Preview in 16:9, and mobile views to confirm responsive behavior before moving to content population. Click Publish to make your site live on your Weebly com subdomain or your linked custom domain. Publishing also triggers the SSL certificate for secure browsing. Set basic SEO by editing page titles and meta descriptions, enabling the XML sitemap, and adding alt text to images to improve indexing. If selling, enable Weebly Commerce, add products with prices, SKU, and shipping options, and connect Stripe or PayPal for payments. Finally, test forms, purchase flow, and site speed, then iterate and republish improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.